guys, I got something kind of cool to show you today. So I have a customer who has a older Frick motherboards and older Frick panels, just the LX, the original HDs, the generation 1 HD panels, and they have these Quantum 5 boards in them, and this is what they look like. So this board here, it works, but then it doesn't work, and it works, and then it doesn't work, and it works, and then it doesn't work. So today we're diagnosing it. Found that this battery here is loose, so we're gonna go ahead and solder that back on there and try to revive this thing, so the customer doesn't have to buy a new board for a little solder issue. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get that thing soldered up right now. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and solder this thing back together. It's doesn't take much to do. There's already solder on there, so we just gotta kind of tack it back on there. Oops, this thing's dead. Charge that. Another one right here. There we go. Perfect. So we're gonna let that warm up, and we got a solder right there. So right on there. I'm gonna push this that way. I'm probably pop the battery out of here first. Warms up here. Okay, cool. That's it. So my nice point on it's not blinking anymore, so it should be hot enough to solder. Let's go ahead and move the flash card out of here first. I heat that up by accident. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and bend this down like this. Give ourselves more of a right there. Grab some solder. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit of solder on there first. Okay. Should put a little more solder on the battery on this side too, because there's a weak connection here. Okay. All right. And that's all that solder is. Radio Shack. Resin core solder. It's pretty good. Works great with electrical wiring potentiometers and stuff, but it's on there, it's not coming off, so let's go ahead and put the battery back in and get this thing fired up. Okay. Quantum 5, see? There you go. Quantum 5. Yep. These motherboards, the new screens don't have touch panels. They don't they don't have touch buttons. No buttons on them. You have to, everything's touch screen on the newer ones. These ones actually have an interface board that connects to it, that the buttons and stuff connect to that board. So, and all these connections here go to that. This goes that. This goes that as well. And so this will not work without the interface board. So the new ones, all that stuff, it's installed. It's already, the new boards are much about the same size. The red boards, way more efficient. I think they're ARM processors in those ones. And these are Intel, so they went to ARM, Linux. These are all Linux based. So, and this is the RAM on here. This is, I think, 2 gigabytes. Yeah, so 2 gigabytes of RAM. Got a whole bunch of RAM, but it's not doing a lot. So it's just running a little compressor. That's all it has to do. So we're gonna go put it back in right now and make sure it works, and then I'll be on the road to the next call. Thanks for tuning in, you guys.